Okay, as promised, I'm going to do a really quick, hopefully this will only take about 5 minutes, if even that, overview of the parts of the map of Europe that you need to know for our test on Wednesday of this week. As we talked about in class today, you need to know where London or Great Britain is, where Spain, Germany, and Italy are, where the Mediterranean Sea is, where the Atlantic Ocean is, and you need to know which part of the map is the northernmost part of Africa. So let me just real quickly outline those for you. Let's see. We'll start with England or Great Britain. Nowadays, we refer to this whole section as the United Kingdom, but there's England right there. Okay. Um, Also, you need to know that the Atlantic Ocean is this big body of water here, off to the west of Europe. The other body of water that you're responsible for in the test is the Mediterranean Sea. We've talked about that over and over again, going back to our discussions of ancient times. So this huge body of water here is the Mediterranean. It separates southern Europe from northern Africa. Speaking of northern Africa, that's what we have down here. Okay, so this is the northernmost part of Africa, countries like Morocco and Algeria. Um, so you need to know where Africa is on your map. And then we also need to know where Germany is. And Germany is maybe going to be the toughest one to remember. It's tucked in here. So get you a general outline just so you can see. Try to think of some ways to figure out where it is compared to everything else. We've got this big country of France here, and I guess it's the next biggest one up. The way to think of it is if you know this is Italy down here, the boot, then Germany is straight up from it. It's the big country straight up from Italy. Okay? So we're responsible for knowing that Germany is there. You also need to know that Italy is down here. So let me give you a quick outline of Italy. Okay, we talk about it being shaped like a boot. So there's Italy. Let's see, we've got England or Great Britain. We've got Germany. Oh, Spain is what I'm forgetting. Spain is this large country over here on the Iberian Peninsula. Let me get it outlined real quick, a little bit faster on this one. So I'm going to set a world record for having my fastest video here. So here is Spain. Okay. So again, Spain, England, Italy, Germany, and then we've got two bodies of water, the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, that you're responsible for knowing on the map. And you need to know that this piece right here is Africa. This is the northernmost part of Africa. So if you can make sure that you know those 7 things, you'll have a great start to your test on Wednesday.